Okay, so hello guys, today in the video I will be doing the burping challenge with Coke. Sadly I'm not joined with anyone, so this is my take 2 burping challenge. So let's just get this open. Boom, let's start drinking. So now we need all to do is just relax. I'm just going to take a little bit more. So what did you guys get for Christmas? Forgot to ask in my Q&A. What did you guys get for Christmas? I want to know. Oh, my butt. See, it makes me burp more. That was 3. See how many burps I've done? So that was 3. I'll put my name there, so you know how to spell my name. I've had a bit of the music on. Hang on, guys. These are all wet ones, so there's it. I have one coming, but it's like cry, oh cry. Oh, no, that was a bit peaches. Oh, cause I was waiting hard. I just want you in my arms, baby. There's a shark in the water. About my nose. I'll be back in a minute, guys. So I pretty much drank that much. So see how many burps I did? I don't know how many I've done. I lost count. So I need one now. My belly is being retarded. Hang on. It's coming. Hang on. It's slowly going. Okay. That's all I've got. I haven't got any more. But if you thought I did better, then leave a comment down below, and that person has been begging me to do it, so there we go, there is the burping challenge. I'm not doing another one. I don't think I can do another bottle of Coke. My belly's hurting. But yeah. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say, and I've done the challenge, so you should be glad, because I don't know how many burps I did. That's more than I did in my last video, so I hope you liked it. If you did, give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below for more challenges with Fabian or Chili, and I'll put my Twitter in the description as well. Bye!